Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off your Google Assistant option into ALCATEL 3T10. First of all, open your Google application. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. Next up, go into Google Assistant, and in this menu scroll down and find General option. And now tap here on the switcher to turn off your Google Assistant. And to confirm operation, tapping turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.